part 16. So we'll be learning about module scripts and coroutines. So let's get started. I'm gonna remove information and system. Okay, so let's start off on module scripts. To probably I use these probably the most. So create a module script in, well, I'm gonna create in server storage, so only the server can use them. If you want the client to be able to read this with this in replicated storage. So module script, if you open it up, you're gonna see something like this. So pretty much you can just store variables and functions in here and then get them from other scripts. So let me show you. So I'm gonna make a variable in here, do not put local in front of it, just make a variable. So int equals 5, string equals, oops, make sure with a comma after each of them because you're storing these in a table. So it's just a table that you can get from any script. And a boolean caps lock. Okay, so this is my module script. Let me rename this boolean. Okay, I'm gonna make a script in script service. Now we need to require this script. So to do that, we're just gonna have to name it. So I'm gonna name it mod. I usually just make a folder where I hold my module scripts named mods equals game get service storage. Now I'm gonna do wait for child just in case. So module script, but this won't work. We actually need to require it. It's just a path to the module script. So require. And now we have our module scripts. So when you're gonna start typing it out, you can see mod dot. It gives you all of the values already. So mod dot boolean. I'm gonna just print all of them. So print mod dot int, mod dot string, mod dot boolean. So this will print all of the values. 5 high false. So let's see. Obviously gonna like create tables in here. So values equals 5, 6, 2, 9. I think you can just print. So you can do mod dot values dot. All right, I didn't name this. So int equals int2 equals. Oh, I forgot to put 2 in there. Int3 equals and int4 equals. So I just print mod dot. So you know it's just print the value. But I'm pretty sure this just gives you the table. Yeah. So I open the table, and you can see all of the values inside here. I'm gonna show you how to put functions in here. So there are 2 ways. I don't know the differences between them. One is actually I think it's, I'm gonna just name it my func equals function. You can put parameters in there if you want. Print, I'm actually gonna make a parameter text. So if I do mod dot my func, I'm just gonna do with 1L, it will print hello. Okay, so that's one way of putting the function here. Now there's another way, which is by putting it outside, doing local my func. Actually, it's module dot my func. What's like this? No, it wasn't. Local function module dot my func. Yeah, it was like. Oh wait, yeah, I removed the local. I forgot. Print text. Okay, so it's still gonna be mod dot my func text Oh, I literally sent it over text. So that's how we get. That's everything about module scripts. Probably more stuff to module scripts, but these are the main stuffs that you can use module script for storing data. Like when you're making like a gun, you can store like the bullet velocity, damage, stuff like that. So now coroutines. I'm just gonna delete this. So you can know how like the script, it runs top to down, and when you have a while loop it stops. So one of the things you can use coroutines for is running the two scripts in one script. So let's say I want to have two while loops. So let me show you how to do it. So local threads. So pretty much a script is running a thread. That's the easiest way I can understand it. Equals coroutine.create function. You can put a parameter as well. So I'm gonna do a while task.wait to print coroutine running, and I'm gonna do a now to call a coroutine. You do coroutine.resume, so it can resume the coroutine or it can start the coroutine threads. And now I'm gonna do a while through, that's not wait print to print script running. Okay, so this will run both of the loops. As you can see, both of them are being run. So you'll definitely find a use for coroutines someday. Oops. How? Okay. So I'm gonna show you the other stuff. So the coroutine.yield. So if I do it, it's only gonna print once, and then what yield means, it's pretty much just yields the script until you start it. So to start it again, you just do coroutine.resume threads. I'm gonna put a task.wait to here. So it's gonna print. It's gonna wait 2 seconds and print again. So that's coroutine.yields. You can also print like print coroutine dot status thread should print like yielded suspended coroutine running. Oh right, because we didn't print this right away. So if I do like actually if I do task.wait 1 second, coroutine running suspended, so suspended it stops. I thought it was gonna print yielded. So if I remove this and I do task.wait 1, gonna be hard to find it, but suspended, I'm not really sure why it prints that it should be running. But that's pretty much coroutine.status. If I just do it like this and then task.wait, it should print dead. Yep, it prints dead. I'm not sure if I don't call it, and I think it's gonna do suspended. Yeah, suspended. So there's also another coroutine function called wrap. So local thread equals coroutine.wrap function. So this is pretty much the same thing as create, but you can just call it like this. So you can call it like a function. Coroutine wrap. So exactly the same thing. You can just call it like a function. So yeah. There's also coroutine.close, so you can just cancel out the coroutine and make it dead. So returns the running coroutine. So whatever is running, each yield will, that's like for meta tables and stuff. I have also no idea what they are, but I'll probably learn them and teach you. So yeah, these are coroutines and module scripts, very helpful. Module scripts are definitely must know. They're pretty much used everywhere on large scripts. So yeah, goodbye.